Hi there, this is John from MarCloud Consulting, and we're going to be looking at Marketing Hub from HubSpot as a comparison against the other marketing automation tools that are available out there. Um, Traditionally, Marketing Hub was for SMBs. It is a scalable solution and can be used across a number of different organizations of different sizes. There is a connection to other CRMs, so you don't have to use the HubSpot CRM. You can connect it to a Salesforce Sales Cloud CRM quite successfully and have the data flow between the systems. So it is a useful tool even if you're on a Sales Cloud environment. Some of the big advantages that talked about on HubSpot and Marketing Hub are the ease of navigation. It's a quick tool to get up and started. It's fairly intuitive in its nature and navigation, and upskilled on it. One of the areas here on the screen at the moment is the dashboard area where you can create reports and dashboards around your marketing activities and have them all available for a quick view and useful and scalable piece as well. So you can add filters and add the different reports to this dashboard as a quick sort of start and a quick viewpoint of your activities. This is aside to what you could do in a CRM if you were using Sales Cloud and Salesforce. You could equally do dashboards here, but within Marketing Hub and HubSpot, you can create dashboards within the system. Another area, if we just have a look at the Marketing Hub areas, we can view some of the real advantages of Marketing Hub. A quick word on campaigns. So if you were to use a Sales Cloud environment as your CRM, you can connect those campaigns through to HubSpot and keep that unified between the systems. But it's campaigns like in other marketing automation systems is the reporting hub and the way in which you can bring those activities under one umbrella. One of the big plus points around HubSpot is functionality. And you can see this in the email builder. We'll just have a very quick view on this. The other thing that you'll notice as I go through the screens is that you get prompts as you go through. So again, it's built around a very quick start. There's always templates available for things like emails, forms, and landing pages. So there is an ability to get up and running pretty quick. I'm just going to run through very quickly some of the advantages of this email builder. You'll see the nature of it is, as I say, quick to do. You can edit and add elements and blocks from this right-hand side. You can see the contents here, and you can add different blocks depending on your needs. But they're very quick to get up and running, and you can create a template very quickly and edit those. These will be responsive as well, so you can view them in different screen sizes and check they're okay. Similar to other marketing automation sort of processes, there is a step-by-step sort of process to go through to decide who you're sending the email to, who you want to suppress from that email, the various sort of elements to add, the titles and pre-header text are set here. There is that ability to schedule or send now as well in the simple list emails. And sort of the more advanced features in HubSpot that are coming around are AI. So they do have a co-pilot collaboration, and other AI features can be pulled in. So you could get the AI to generate content for you and help you send emails. There is also A/B testing, as you would expect on this level of package, but a really useful tool in terms of being able to pick it up and get going with sending emails quickly. Another area that's quite strong on HubSpot is around the social posts. So you can create your posts, and if you can connect your social media to HubSpot and Marketing Hub, you can publish and post those directly from HubSpot, where you can schedule, add media, and do things on here. This is stronger than other marketing automation systems that offer this. And it's something that's built on, and it can be brought back into your reports and dashboards as you build out and send. Are another strong point for Marketing Hub from HubSpot, where you can connect your Meta and Google and LinkedIn ads to Marketing Hub within Marketing Hub itself, and create reports and dashboards to follow up. This is stronger than some of the other marketing automation systems out there, and the native connector around those things is a strong plus point. Marketing events as a separate element. Here you can connect to Eventbrite, GoToWebinar, and other systems. But again, it's the idea that you've got it all in one place. You can keep it as part of the campaigns that you're running and measure the success of them in your reports and dashboards. So it's a nice feature to have to bring all those things into one place. If we look at forms now, so forms similar to the email builder, you have the ability to use the drag and drop builder, and it's a quick start, very easy to use pre-existing templates or edit them according to your needs. And this can connect to the data that exists in HubSpot, and could connect to your CRM further down the line, but also you can create bespoke fields just for a form. So there is the ability to quickly edit in a WYSIWYG editor on the right hand side here, you can see, but add fields in a drag and drop format as well. So this is really quick and easy to see, and the visualization of the form as you're doing it as well gives you a good viewpoint of how the end form will look. CTAs, the calls to action that are offered in HubSpot, are really a useful lead generation tool to bring onto the website or your other marketing assets. This could be a pop-up, as it's shown here, a sticky banner, but really driving traffic to either fill out a form or do some kind of call to action where you can ingest the new data into the Marketing Hub system, and hopefully into CRM as well as they move through to an opportunity. But this is a really powerful piece that can be integrated onto the website fairly effortlessly, and can reap rewards going forward. So another really useful part to Marketing Hub is this call to action part, which isn't available on a lot of other peer sort of systems. So another great positive from Marketing Hub on that front. There is SMS capabilities on some of the upgraded sort of licenses, and there is lead scoring as well. So again, lead scoring, a useful and integral part to marketing automation systems. Lead scoring, as you would imagine, is part of the system. Now, within Marketing Hub, one of the things that is a bit different to some of the other systems out there, like Marketing Cloud Account Engagement, is that they have a standard automation for all the automation around the system, and that's through the workflows. Whereas on Marketing Cloud Account Engagement, there is the automation in the sense of separate automations for completion actions on forms, automation rules, engagement studios. the way in which Marketing Hub from HubSpot deals with that is to have an overall automation engine in workflows where you can tie in the different assets. So you can trigger the workflow off the form completion. Now, this, although means that you create it separately, does allow you to have flexibility, and when it comes to editing in the future, can prove an easier edit than having to go through a number of forms. You could have a workflow, for instance, that is attached to those forms. So editing and updating that one workflow is a possibility. Generally speaking, the real positives around Marketing Hub from HubSpot is the quick start you can of what you're doing as well. And it is a scalable solution. So there are elements that you can build on, even if you start from a foundation. The AI capabilities that are being pushed into HubSpot and Marketing Hub are really exciting in the sense of being able to save time and create efficiencies around some of the content creation and some of the other areas. There are other hubs within HubSpot, namely Content Hub, which can be used in conjunction with Marketing Hub and really provide some powerful solutions for your content.